Welcome back, and if you guys see the title of this video, we are going to be doing a tutorial. I just did a full-on swatch and review of this palette, which if you guys want to check it out, go ahead and look down in the drop box. I'm very excited about it. I will tell you right now, the presentation of this palette is immaculate. Everything in here as far as detail and everything goes is incredibly gorgeous. We are going to get jumping right into it. So before we get headed into this tutorial, if you guys haven't subscribed before you guys head out, please make sure to do so. Just click the subscribe button, and if you guys are already subscribed, make sure to hit the notification bell right beside it. So let's do this. So I know normally when I do eye looks, I typically always have my brows done. I'm going to try something a little bit different today. I'm actually going to try doing my brows after I do my eyes. I'm going to start off with a base, and today I'm going to be using MAC's Paint Pot in Painterly. And then I'll also make sure to set it with a translucent powder. So when I asked you guys about this palette, if you guys wanted me to buy it, a lot of you guys said please, and you guys want to see a tutorial using it. I also got a lot of requests to not do something very bold and dramatic. I know that a lot of the looks that have been coming out have been very, very dramatic. I'm actually going to try to do something a little bit wearable. I am going to try to mix in color because this palette does have an equal amount of color and neutrals. The very first color I'm going to go in with is called Sickening, and I'm going to take that all over as a transition shade, and I'm going to be using my Sigma E40 to apply it. Next color we're going to go in with is called Mug, which is a bit of a deeper brown. We're going to start off with Mug, and we're going to put that right on the inner corner and the outer corners. So do you want it to be sharp? I just realized that I was thinking maybe it would look better if it was sharp. So because of that, I'm gonna go ahead and just put some tape on it. Shade I'm going to go in with is called Trade, and I'm going to first start off by taking that on the outer corner only, and I'm really going to build up the pigmentation of that color right on the outer corner, and also taking a little bit of Shady to enhance it and make it dark. After we cut the crease, then I'll go back in with those two darker colors on the inner corner, and that will help us get that halo effect, and I just find it to be a really easy way and a clean way to do it. As you guys can see, I went in with Trade. This is a technique that I've seen other artists use on Instagram and YouTube, and I decided to try it out, and I find it to be a very easy way to create a halo eye look. I find it to be almost foolproof. So now that we're done with that, now for the center of the lid, we're going to go in with the color called Beat, and we're going to put it right on the center to make the eyes really pop. Okay, so far everything is coming out really nicely. I love the way the shadows are performing. The only thing I noticed was that the shade Beat, even though in the pan it has like this pink, it's like a pink shimmer shadow, it definitely comes off a lot lighter on the lid. So that's not necessarily a bad thing. I thought it was gonna kind of counteract, but I actually ended up liking the way that it came off as a finish. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to do my brows off camera really quickly, and then we will move into the face. And now we're going to go ahead and take everything off, and you guys can just see how sharp it's going to be. For lashes, I'm going to be taking the Dollar Lash Club lashes in the style Delilah. So now that the lashes are on, I went ahead and I did my foundation and concealer off camera just because I do it so many times. And if you guys want to see a full on how I do a foundation routine, I'm going to go ahead and link it down below for you guys. So I used the LANCOME TEINT IDOLE Ultra Wear Foundation. I'm kind of in between shades right now. This one's a little too orange and the other one is a little too light, so I'm having to mix them. We're going to go in with Pageant Queen and KK, and I'm going to take it on the lower lash line. So I'm going to take Pageant Queen and I'm going to run it on my waterline and my lower lash line. But to begin, because I don't have anything as bright as that, I'm going to go in with the NYX Jumbo Stick and I'm going to run it on my lower lash line. That's going to make everything super intense and super vibrant. Now we're going to tie everything in. We're going to take the jumbo stick again and we're going to put it right on the inner corner, and that is going to act as a base for the yellow. Okay, let's go ahead and finish off the face. So for the rest of the face, we're going to go in with the Too Faced Dark Chocolate Soleil Matte Bronzer. For blush, we're just going to go in with the blush called That Peach Though, and this is by Bare Minerals. It is the one that I have been really enjoying here lately. For highlight, I'm going in with Burberry's Rose Gold number 4. And then for lips, I'm going to finish off with the Kat Von D lip liner in Lolita. And the top of the lips for gloss, I'm going to go ahead and use Lancome's lip gloss, and this is in the shade Bare Glow. All right, you guys, so that there finishes off this look. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about it, and if maybe you want me to tone it down a little bit more. Now that I'm looking at it, I'm like, is it a little too much for you guys, or was this a perfect amount? Again, you guys can do this with any color, switch it up, make it different, you know, kind of give it your own little pizzazz. But I'm gonna tell you right now, I am so impressed with his palette. Like, his formula, amazing. The brights, amazing. The darks, amazing. They blend well together. I had no issues with splotchiness, patchiness, nothing like that. So if you guys are thinking about getting it, I would definitely recommend checking it out. If you guys are in the idea whether or not you should get it, I would say get it. It's a great palette. So thank you so much for watching. Before you guys head out, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and also make sure to hit the notification bell. And if you guys have any comments or questions or anything else you guys want to know, I'm going to have the full-on review and swatch for you guys down in the description box. So make sure to head over and watch that too. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.